You searched how to buy shares of SS Innovations International Inc. SS Innovations International Inc. trades on NASDAQ under the ticker SSII, and this video gives a clear, educational overview of the practical steps, not financial advice. To buy the stock, you must use a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker SSII to find the company quickly. Choose the listing that matches SS Innovations International Inc. on NASDAQ to ensure it is the correct stock. On the company page, you will see basic information about the business and a price chart to review recent movement. Confirm the company name and ticker are correct before proceeding. To place a trade, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or treated as a pending instruction, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to follow the same demonstration steps.